Welcome back, welcome back. Today we have a pair of Alfred Sargent. It's a 5-tie Gibson in Zug grain. Now, Alfred Sargent has gone through liquidation, and so very many of the organizations were not able to pick up their shoes, but I was lucky enough to find this pair. Now, this is in this Zug grain, has a very cool country sole on it. Come back out so you can see the whole shoe. Okay, kind of a big burly thing. This is made for treaders by Alfred Sargent. Now what I want to do is I want to point out on the edge here something kind of cool about these. This is a Veltschön shoe, or Veltschön shoe, where instead of a welt, that is actually the leather from the upper used to sew the shoe on. Isn't that cool? So it's supposed to be a little heavier duty. It's got this faux cap, so it's just sewn in. But then this is kind of like a Edward Green Galloway, or the ends open off a ballway thing here, but it's not a boot, it's just a shoe. And as we look at this, it's typical sock lining. This leather is really, really stiff. So I'm gonna have to work hard in order to loosen this up. And then it's lined, see, look at that. It's lined on the inside, but not the tongue. So like there's an actual line there. I hope I can't feel that when I wear it. Sure I won't. But, you know, when they were going through liquidation, a lot of these shoes went on sale. And so I was able to pick these up. Not my standard shoe. It doesn't fit in my collection strategy, but these are my first Veltschön, and I wanted to try them out, and it allowed me to pick up a pair of country Alfred Sargents in the process. So I'm excited about them, looking forward to them. I'm interested in your thoughts though. You know, the leather is thick and stiff. I'm going to probably wear them a few times before I do anything with them. I did that with another pair that I got, and did just a pure polish conditioner cleaner on it, let that soak in overnight, and they came out real nice. So I think I'm going to do the same thing for these. So let me know your thoughts. What do you think? Is this a good country shoe? I think it falls into the same category as like a PTB, but it's definitely a very different style. But I kind of like it. It's very different. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks, everyone.